Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Brago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am back in Nonna Romana's kitchen with the one and only Nonna Romana. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And Nonna, what are we going to make today?
Today I gotta make, they call lemon cake. And I gotta put lemon and ricotta. It's very good.
And we are making a fabulous lemon ricotta cake and it's a very easy, right Nonna?
Yeah, very easy. Yeah, very
Everybody
easy to
can
make.
do.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah.
And everybody like.
So everybody like. They come beautiful cake. Very nice. I love it.
So we're just going to use some simple ingredients to make a super quick and easy lemon ricotta cake. We are going to use some ricotta, of course, some whole eggs, some lemon zest, lemon juice, olive oil, not extra virgin, some yogurt. You could use plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, any kind of yogurt you want. I wouldn't use anything, only plain or vanilla. We're using plain. Baking powder, some flour, of course, and some vanilla and sugar. This is Italian vanilla imported from Italy. It's like my favorite thing ever. So, Nonna, what do we got to do first?
I gotta put first eggs.
Okay.
I gotta put the other thing.
The other thing. You give it to me. Thank you. Sugar?
No, that's okay. Sugar or ricotta, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ricotta. I'm gonna put it all together.
Okay. Put the yogurt.
This yogurt.
Yeah. And I'm going to open the vanilla packets. I like to use 2 packets and something like this, you know. But I'm a vanilla-aholic. I probably use way too much vanilla. And guys, this is available in our online shop, La Bottega, if you're looking for it. Got every last bit of yogurt out of that cup. We're going to put the lemon zest.
Yeah. Okay. Take away this one.
Okay. What else do we... Okay, so now we're going to start mixing our ingredients. And I'm going to add the olive oil.
Yeah.
You don't want to put extra virgin olive oil in this because the flavor is just a little bit strong for this kind of cake. You want a nice light olive oil flavor. And what I love about using olive oil in a cake like this is that you don't have to wait for something to soften like with butter. And I'm also going to use, Nonna, can I have the lemon? We're also going to use the juice of 1 lemon. We put a lot of zest in there and we're going to get some juice too. There we go.
Okay, Rossella, put flour now.
Gonna add in the flour. And last but not least, the baking powder.
Yeah, baking powder.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, some baking powder stuck. And you just want to mix it till it's a nice smooth batter. Okay. It's a nice, beautiful batter now.
Very nice. I love too much this cake. I love it. Okay.
Okay, perfect. And now we're gonna put it in the pan.
Yeah. I pour now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, this pan, they come from Italy. It's very good.
This is actually one of
Yeah.
these old like focaccia style pans.
Yeah,
but
they
it's
come very good.
perfect for a cake. This one's about 10 inches. And if you don't have a pan like this, it's totally fine. You can use a 9-inch springform pan and it works perfectly as well.
Yeah, they sell that.
We
Very
sell
good.
this in the computer.
Yeah, very nice. Rossella selling the computer this one. I love her.
Oh, that is beautiful. Okay. Gorgeous. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
So we greased this pan with, you can use butter, you can use baking spray, whatever you want. And this, we're going to just give it a nice tap a few times. And this is going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. If you use the springform pan, it might take a little bit longer because it's a little bit smaller, so the cake's a little higher. So you want to make sure it cooks nice in the center. But this is going to bake up nice and beautiful in about 35 minutes. So we're going to see you when we come back and it's all cooked.
Very nice.
Okay, so our baby is out of the oven. No, looks good, no?
They look very nice. They
Molto
come
very
good.
nice. So we just baked it till it's nice and set in the center and nice and golden brown on the outside. It's going to puff up a little bit when it comes out of the oven, and then it's going to kind of deflate and be nice and even like this. And this has already cooled a little bit. So I'm going to get this out of the plate here. Let's see.
Look nice.
Looking nice, huh? Nice color.
Very nice color. Yeah.
Nice everything.
Cook very well. Very
Okay.
nice.
And now you want to decorate this very simple. Nonna doesn't like glazes. Nonna, a te non ti piace lo zucchero sopra troppo?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Otherwise,
Yeah.
too sweet.
Yeah, I know. I don't like too sweet, everything.
I know. You don't like too sweet. Like, she doesn't put sugar in her coffee, but she's always got to, like, eat, like, cake or a cookie with the coffee.
Yeah, I want just a little piece of cake, but no sugar in the coffee.
She'd rather have the sugar in the cake than the sugar in the coffee, you know? So we're going to just be real simple with this. We're going to put these little lemon slices. Like this. And then we're just going to hit it. Yeah, it looks so cute already, right?
Mm-hmm.
You could just
Very
leave it like
nice.
that, but we're just going to hit it with a little bit
A little bit, not too much.
of powdered sugar.
It's enough.
That's enough? You
Sure.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And I think this looks so cute, just
yeah,
like this.
They look so cute.
They look so cute, you know?
Yeah, very nice.
You want to taste?
Sure, I want to taste.
Sure, you want to taste. Nonna doesn't make nothing without tasting it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Little piece. I don't want too much. No?
Little piece. Okay. But I got to eat it too.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. What if I don't want a little piece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at how nice and moist that looks inside.
Mm-hmm. They cook very well.
They cook a nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we're going to taste it on the...
It's so good. Not too sweet. Very good.
You like, huh?
Mm-hmm. I like.
I love this. I love lemon everything.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
Perfect.
It's perfect. I love it.
Perfect, right? You know what we need now?
Not now. Later. I want to eat.
No, later you want to eat. Let's make a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
We'll make a coffee. We got to eat. Okay?
I need coffee for it.
All right, guys. So we're going to go make some coffee. You guys go make this cake. Nonna, thank you for being my nonna today and every day. I hope you like the cake we made.
Thank you for you. You're beautiful girl.
We'll see you next time on Cooking with Nonna. Ciao.
Ciao.